Hello, I am selling my first hammock because I have now taught myself to sew, and I've now sewn my purple hammock that I ultimately wanted. So I'm getting rid of the brown one. So I'm going to tell you about the features of this DIY 1.6 Argon Coyote Brown 11-foot hammock. It is triple stitched here on the channels and on the ends, and here you can see, oh, how well can you actually see that? Let's take a closer look. There we go. So this is double stitched dark olive with these nice accent edges. I only use this hammock for a couple months, so very few trips, because I wanted purple. This comes with a the UCR Adjustable ridge line. You may not really be able to see it, but it's right here. And then on the ridge line is a Xenon Sil RL Organizer. And we've got one pocket, two pockets, three pockets. That was good enough. Hi, cat. Get out of the way. Someone might want this, and we don't want kitty on it. That's funny. He likes hammocking, so watch out. Also, ridge line. Oh, we talked about the organizer. So there's the Amsteel continuous loops, 764. We've got a yellow one here. We've got an orange one on the opposite side, so you can know head end from foot end. We also have the Blaze Orange Stuff sack, double-ended stuff sack. Everything rolls up really nicely into here. All of this packed up is just about 11 ounces. So if you're interested, buy it. Cat, Kisma, get off.